90-second recipe, go. This time we're doing fried rice. First, you want to dice up an onion real nice, then get about 3 mushrooms, 3 or 4, doesn't matter. Chop those up, slice them, do whatever you want to do. Next, we're going to do a carrot, chop the ends off. You can slice it if you want. If not, just wash it really well. Then we're going to dice that up, set that aside in a bowl. At this point, you want to get frozen peas. Add, I don't know, about like 1/3 to a 1/2 cup to it. You don't want to go overboard. You really can't get out of hand with those peas. Next, you want to heat up your pan. Add a little under a 1/4 cup of oil and all of your veggies. Saute those up really nice. After you salt, of course, you want to sweat those onions. You'll get some fond going on the bottom there, and that's about when you see all those burnt crispy bits. Yeah, that's that good stuff. That's when you want to pull it, set that aside. Get a little bit more oil. That's a citrus habanero. My mother-in-law got it for me for Christmas, and it's delicious. Get a little bit of oil in there, heat that up, add your rice. You want to get it crispy, but not stuck to the bottom of the pan, so make sure you stir it. Once it gets a little bit of color, you can re-add your vegetables, stir that up really nice, kind of get that cooking together. A lot of the oil on the veggies is going to soak into that rice. Next, you want to make a pocket in the middle, crack a couple of eggs. You'll thank me, this is the best part. And then add some soy on the outside, a little bit of sambal or sriracha if you don't have sambal. And then scramble those eggs up in there, stir that really nice. Fry an egg, garnish with it, and a little bit of scallions, and there you have it. Enjoy.